What if the energy you seek, vitality, clarity, peace, has been within you all along, hidden just beyond your conscious awareness? What if the secret to unlocking boundless power and transcendent peace exists not in the outer world, but within the very fabric of reality itself? This is not a fantastical notion. It's a reality that ancient wisdom and modern quantum physics are beginning to align on: the zero-point field, a hidden force that holds the keys to your limitless potential. For centuries, this field has been veiled in mystery, whispered about by mystics, and only recently confirmed by the deepest corners of scientific inquiry. In this journey, we will unravel the zero-point field, exploring its esoteric roots, its quantum nature, and how you can tap into it to awaken a wellspring of energy and tranquility. Stay with us as we unlock the ancient secret to vitality and inner peace, the kind that transcends ordinary understanding. The concept of a universal, omnipresent energy field is not a modern discovery. It is an ancient wisdom echoed across time by mystics, sages, and philosophers who understood that the material world is merely an illusion, masking a deeper, unseen reality. In the Vedic traditions of India, it was known as Akasha, the ethereal substance from which all things emerge. In the Taoist traditions of China, it was described as Qi, the life force that flows through every living thing. Even in the Egyptian mystery schools, the idea of a hidden energy that connects all life was central to their spiritual practices. But it was not until the early 20th century that Western science began to catch up with these ancient teachings. The legendary physicist Max Planck, in his groundbreaking work on quantum theory, proposed that there is a fundamental energy field at the heart of all matter, an invisible yet infinite potential. It was here that the zero-point field was born in the minds of scientists. This mysterious energy was not only hidden from the masses, but was also suppressed by the very systems that sought to control the narrative of knowledge. The zero-point field, much like the sacred wisdom of ancient times, remained largely obscured, misunderstood, and ignored by the world at large. But now, as the veil is slowly lifted, we begin to realize that this force holds the potential to reconnect us with the vitality and peace we so desperately seek. Imagine for a moment a vast, invisible ocean stretching infinitely in all directions. Every wave, every particle, every atom within this ocean is connected, vibrating with subtle energy. This is the zero-point field, a quantum sea of infinite potential that lies beneath the surface of reality. It is not bound by time or space. It exists beyond our traditional understanding of the physical world. At the quantum level, particles don't behave as solid objects, but as probabilities, waves of energy that are influenced by the consciousness of the observer. This is where the true power of the zero-point field lies. It is the space where thought and reality intersect, where your consciousness can reach into the depths of the field, reshaping your own energy and the world around you. This field is not a static, passive void. It is alive, dynamic, and constantly interacting with the thoughts, emotions, and intentions of every living being. The zero-point field holds the key to unlocking the dormant power within you, the very energy that can heal, empower, and align you with the flow of the universe. And yet, as we venture deeper into this field, we realize that its mysteries are far from fully understood. What happens when we learn to truly tap into it? What hidden forces lie beyond the threshold of our awareness? These are the questions that we will soon answer. As we journey deeper into the zero-point field, we encounter paradoxes that defy conventional understanding. One of the most profound is the relationship between energy and consciousness. Quantum physics tells us that particles in the zero-point field exist in a state of potentiality, neither fully here nor fully there, until observed. The mere act of observation collapses these possibilities into reality. But what does this mean for us? It suggests that our consciousness is not merely a passive observer of the world around us, but an active participant in shaping it. We are not separate from this field. We are one with it. The ancient teachings of interconnectedness suddenly find their scientific counterpart in the quantum realm. The wisdom of the mystics, the idea that we are all connected to the source of all things, now resonates with the discoveries of modern physics. However, there are still myths and misconceptions surrounding the zero-point field. Many believe that it is something external, something to be found or discovered. But the truth is far more intimate. It is already within you, woven into the very fabric of your being. It is not a distant force to be reached, but a present reality to be realized. The zero-point field is not outside the mind, but within it, awaiting the moment when we remember how to align ourselves with its energy. Now that we've glimpsed the hidden truth of the zero-point field, the next question is, how can you tap into this vast, limitless energy in your daily life? The answer lies in conscious practices that align your mind, body, and spirit with the field's pulsating rhythm. One of the simplest yet most powerful ways to access the zero-point field is through meditation, but not just any meditation. One where you focus on quieting the mind and opening yourself to the infinite energy that surrounds and permeates you. Imagine as you breathe that each inhale draws in universal energy, and with each exhale, you release all the tension, the doubt, the distractions. In this space of stillness, you create the perfect environment for the zero-point field to reveal itself. Another practice is visualization. Visualize yourself as a conduit for this energy, seeing yourself bathed in light, with the zero-point field flowing through you like a river of vitality. Picture every cell in your body vibrating with this boundless force, awakening dormant potential and infusing you with clarity, peace, and power. But remember, true alignment requires patience. The energy of the zero-point field responds to your thoughts, but it is not a force to be forced. It is a flow to be attuned to. Avoid the temptation to rush or control the experience. The key is to trust the process and allow yourself to be guided by the infinite intelligence that connects us all. As you begin to integrate these practices into your life, you'll find that the once distant states of vitality and inner peace become more accessible, more tangible, and more real. And the more you cultivate this connection, the stronger your ability to influence the field and your own reality. The zero-point field is not a distant, unreachable force. Rather, it is the very essence of existence, woven into the fabric of your being. It holds the power to transform your life, to ignite the dormant energy within, and to bring you into profound alignment with the universe itself. By understanding and tapping into this invisible field, you begin to transcend the limitations of the physical world, unlocking the vitality and inner peace that have always been yours to claim. The journey is not one of discovery, but of remembrance. Remembering that you are part of something far greater, an energy that flows through and connects all things. As you move forward, ask yourself, what if the power you seek is already within you, waiting to be awakened? What will you do when you truly realize that the key to unlocking infinite energy is held by your very consciousness? The 0 point field offers an invitation, a call to return to the source. Will you answer?